Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube Shorts video your ringtone. Want to set your favorite YouTube Shorts as your ringtone? In this video, I'll show you how to convert any YouTube Shorts into a ringtone on both Android and iPhone. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to download the YouTube Shorts video. And to do that, just open the YouTube app and find the Shorts video you want. After that, let's see here, I'm gonna open the YouTube app. Just click on the Shorts section to access the Shorts. Let's see here. And as you can see, we're just gonna click on the share icon right here, share button. Click on it. And we're gonna copy the link. Now after copying the link, use a video downloader like say from SnapTube or YouTube Mate to download this video in MP4 format. Now for the second step is to convert the video to audio. That means to convert the video from MP4 to an MP3 format. And to do that, you're gonna have to use an online converter like mp3converter.net or audio extractor. Now on Android, apps like VidCompact or MP3 video converter works well. And just download the MP3 file after the conversion finishes. As for the third step is to set the MP3 as a ringtone. Now for Android users, we're gonna access the sound like here. Open the settings and click on the sounds settings and change the ringtone by clicking on ringtone and scroll down. Let's see here, click on the plus. You're gonna have to click on the plus and choose a the mp3 file. Browse your files and your ringtones and choose the mp3 file you downloaded. Now for let's see here. Now after you said that, for iPhone users, you're gonna have to install GarageBand if you don't have it. And just open GarageBand and import the MP3 and trim it under 30 seconds and tap share to ringtones and set it as your default ringtone. Keep the audio under 30 seconds for iPhone ringtones and use Zedge for more ringtones customization. And that's it. Now you can set any YouTube Shorts as your ringtone in just a few steps. Try it and enjoy your favorite sounds every time someone calls. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.